Mama. Wow, Kevin. Wow, look at you. Whee! You did it. Wow, oh, look at you. Whee! Much easier than climbing up the back.
Yeah, that's easier.
Whee! Whee! Okay, here comes a little girl, Kevin, so let's get out of the way. Let's get out of the way. It's always dangerous to be at the bottom of a slide. I know, let's take turns, hon. We're gonna take turns. We take turns. See, she's gonna come down. Whee! Now it's your turn. Come on, Kev. Say we just take turns. My turn, then your turn, then your turn, then my turn. Whee! Whoa!
Can you go up back over next to me? Yeah, but still remember how you go up there.
Cheese! Push! Twirl, twirl, twirl.